everyone, it's Jenny, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the January 2019 Play by Sephora box. Most everybody knows, but if you don't know, this runs $10 a month. It's a beauty subscription service from Sephora where you get sent 5 sample-sized beauty items to try, from makeup, skincare, hair care, all that sort of fun stuff. I'm just going to go right ahead and say I have canceled this box. I know I have been on the fence. I've mentioned that in a few videos, but I've canceled this, and after this month, I'm proud of my decision to do so. I would rather take that $10 and buy drugstore makeup with it, or put it towards another subscription box, because this is dumpster. So, being a little harsh, but that's just the way I feel about it. So, of course, the box, it's always got the show off and share using hashtags for play. You do get your 50 insider beauty points, which is nice. That's a plus. I did like that, and I think you can use it online now. I know for the longest time you had to go in store. And it looks like this is your 2019 beauty scope. I'm a Sagittarius, so it says, thrill seekers and spiritual adventurers, Sagittarians need the freedom to roam. You're always up for something new and different, so why not switch up your scents? Try something floral one day and spicy the next. I don't like a whole lot of floral. I don't like a whole lot of spicy. I like fruity, so there's that. And of course, the other side shows you what's all in the box, in the bag, what have you. And this right here, this bag, what is with this bag? I liked the drawstring bags that they had. I thought this was a cute idea once, but that's how they do it now, and I don't know, I just don't like it. So there's that. Let's open it up and see what's inside. And first off is from Sunday Riley. It's their CEO Vitamin C Brightening Serum. Let's see what this says about it. Blinded by the bright. And little fact about me, I hate the song Blinded by the Light. Hate it. It's the worst song ever in history. So that just reminded me of that. A fast absorbing serum that uses vitamin C to brighten skin. Dullness doesn't stand a chance with this radiance inducing treatment that fights the look of dark spots and discoloration while visibly plumping the skin. So I know Sunday Riley's a pretty good brand. I think my sister's used quite a few of their things. They are expensive. Look, that's a little baby sample. Check that out. But I think I may have tried this or something similar, and I think I liked it. So there's that. What else? And this right here, this was the bonus, and this is from Bite Beauty, which I've been really into Bite Beauty's lipstick. It's their agave sugar lip balm and scrub. So this is cute. I mean, it's nice to have. I'll probably throw it in a giveaway because I have lip scrubs and lip balms, but these are good, so I will say that. Then next up is the Beauty Blender Solid Cleanser. I think this is what that is. Yeah. A charcoal infused soap that removes that removes excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools. I don't have a beauty blender, but I do have other beauty sponges. I'm sure you could use this, and I think you can even use your brushes too. Wet your sponge or brush, then run over soap to create a lather. Gently squeeze out water and repeat until clean. Set out tools to dry. Now, I love the liquid beauty cleanser stuff, the beauty blender cleanser. It's really good. So I have a feeling this stuff is probably good too. And next up, this is something else I already have too. It's from Bite Beauty in the shade Glace. This is it says Stay Glace. A matte cream lip crown, a high pigment lip crown in a dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. You can also line your lips with these. These are just really, really comfortable, and I already have this, so it'll be going in a giveaway. And something, now this is one thing I probably the one thing I was most excited about in this month's box, and this is from Laneige, and this is the Water Sleeping Mask. Of course, tiny sample, but I'm okay with that. Smells like skincare. I always have to feel it, see how it feels on the skin. Feels nice and soft on the skin. So let's read about it. Overnight Sensation Laneige Water Sleeping Mask, a quick absorbing gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. 1 or 2 nights a week, whenever skin needs extra hydration, apply a quarter size amount, leave on overnight, rinse in the morning. So it also says your future will look bright when you use this innovative sleeping mask that rehydrates stressed, parched skin with hydroionized mineral water. So I'll have to see how I like this. It sounds promising, but then again, you never know. You have to use something, have to try it out, right? And then the last thing in the bag, and this is what solidified me canceling this beauty subscription, and it is, what is this even called? Sigmatic. It's from Sigmatic. It's their mushroom golden latte mix. There's 3 of them in here. A golden latte mushroom mix with shiitake and turmeric, a drinkable blend of natural ingredients that delivers a glow from within radiance. First off, I don't want any sort of drinks or anything in my beauty subscription thing. I just don't. I want makeup, I want skincare, I want, you know, makeup brushes, that kind of stuff. What is this? And it says you mix with 7 ounces of hot water and then drink up. Why not drink your beauty? This lightly sweet dairy-free latte is made with powerful mushrooms, turmeric, ginger, and black pepper, which helps support full body well-being. And no. Sephora Play, what is this? What is this? You canceled. So, I'm curious to know what everybody else got in their box, if there were different variations this month, or pretty much everybody got the same thing. So let me know what you got in yours. You happy with it? You still going to continue with it, or are you canceling? Let me know. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'd absolutely love to have you here. And with that, have a fabulous day. Bye.